Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Linux Mint operating system. Linux Mint is a fantastic choice for anyone seeking a reliable and easy-to-use computing experience. Its intuitive interface makes it perfect for beginners, and the installation process is surprisingly simple, often taking less than 30 minutes. You'll find it offers a stable and secure environment for all your daily tasks, from browsing the web to managing documents. Let's dive into getting started with your new system. Once installed, you'll discover the Cinnamon desktop environment, which is designed for ease of use. Navigating your files and applications feels natural, much like other popular operating systems. The Software Manager is your go-to place for installing new programs, offering a vast selection of free and open-source applications. Remember to keep your system updated regularly. This ensures you have the latest security patches and performance enhancements, keeping your computer running smoothly. Linux Mint allows extensive personalization, letting you tailor your desktop with various themes, applets, and desklets to suit your style. For productivity, it comes preloaded with powerful tools like the LibreOffice suite, which handles documents, spreadsheets, and presentations with ease. The Nemo File Manager makes organizing your files and folders intuitive and efficient. These features combine to create a highly adaptable and productive computing environment for everyone. To ensure a smooth experience, always back up your important data regularly. This is crucial for preventing any potential loss. If you ever encounter an issue, the Linux Mint community is incredibly supportive, with extensive online forums and documentation available to help you troubleshoot. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Enjoy exploring all that Linux Mint has to offer.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.